All right, first terrain park run. Woo! We're gonna send it. All right.
Hey, yeah, hell, I know how it is sometimes. You're holding on, trying to forget them all night, till you're drunk and you text that other ex, the one that said that they'd be there when you need them. Peace of mind, don't waste your time.
Get out of the landing zone, sir. Well, you sent it.
Well, something was sent.
Oh my god. Ready to try it again?
I'm with looking back, they're broken pieces of past. Come here and make some love that makes some love that lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts.
What happened?
I fell. I was too focused on the camera instead of focusing on myself.
Yeah, just leave that hand out, man. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, that's the thing. Is you gotta pretend the camera's not there and just snowboard.
Yeah.
I fucked up. I'm sorry.
Is it still recording?
Yeah, I think so. It is. You wanna?
Yeah, it's all good. Round 2.
You lay back, cold shower with the music on, hoping the sounds will drown them out till you're sober now. Fighting the thoughts that you will never be in love, that you will never feel it all from this time on.
Tailbone. Need a second? Go ahead and take a second, boss.
Here I am. Don't waste your time with looking back. They're broken pieces of past. Come here and make some love that makes some love that lasts. Lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts, lasts, lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts.
Oh! Woo! I am awake, Breckenridge! I am awake! My neck is the new line. Just you being tired?
No, that was me trying to pattern slap and falling forward.
Did you buy the fast pass, bro?
Yeah.
Getting to work. You have to get up eventually, man. YouTube is watching.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey.
Every time you touch me, I go out of my mind.
Wow. Can a man get a drink wrong?
Ready?
Yep.
This is what I remember though more, is the length of these, like 25 minutes to get down. Done that. You almost took my face off. I was gonna not hit you. Woo! Fun though, right?
Yeah. I was really paranoid that I hit, I was gonna go into the moguls that not one was going.
We got lucky, we just got in there before then.
Yeah.